Hi there, my name is Sam, and in this video I'll show you how to A/B test your Shopify product page within Instant. It's easy, it's fast, and doesn't require any code or a weird setup. So let's get started. This is the PDP I've built for this specific product within Instant, and within this A/B test I want to test whether a product image, this one, or a lifestyle image as the first image in this product gallery makes any difference in the conversion rate. This is the test I will use for this example, for this video, but whatever the test is that you want to run, it's possible with an Instant. Maybe you want to create a different buy box and test which buy box convert better, or maybe a totally different section down on the page to see if it improves your conversion rate or your AOV, your revenue per visitor, you name it. Just follow this test because the same principles apply whatever you want to A/B test within Instant. So right here within the layer panel, you can see that we're currently on this product template and it's published. It's called body protection. We can see that's published by the green dot or the green light. And what we do to create an A/B test is simply zoom out. Then we select this entire page, we copy it by pressing Command C, and then we create a new page. On this new page, we paste all of the content. There we have it, the entire page is now pasted in. And what we have to do is connect this product to this section right here. So let's do that. Product. Look for the product called body protection, and automatically all the content is filled in. Looking specifically at the image gallery because I want to have a different image as the first image, let's open up the layer panel, and then we can see that this image gallery consists of the slides, and all the slides have an image. And then on the left side, we have the thumbnails, and then every thumbnail is also an image of the product. Next to slide and next to thumbnail, you can see this number. And what this number means is that this element is being repeated. So currently we have the slide here with the image within. We can see the number 3, and on the right side, we can see the element is being repeated on product images. So automatically it will show all your product images that you have of this product within Shopify. But to test this specific thing, so changing the image, I want to delete the repeat element and upload images by myself. So let's select this first image now that the repeat element is gone. And right here, we can select which image we want to use. So we can use a Shopify image. So these are all the Shopify images related to this product, or all the other Shopify images I have within my store, or you can select a image you've uploaded to Instant. And right here I have this image for this Tsuki body protection product, a lifestyle image with a model holding this product. So let's select that one as the first image. Then in the layer panel, we duplicate the slide. It's not being repeated anymore, so we have to do it ourselves. We select the image, and now let's showcase the featured product image again. And then we duplicate it another time. We show another image. Let's do this one right here. And then we have another one, and that is the last one, image number 3. Now, the first image is the lifestyle image. I wanted that. Now let's make sure that the thumbnails also correspond with the correct image and that you can trigger them. So we have the thumbnail layer, we delete the repeat element. There we go, and now we change out this image. So the image we have as the first image in the slides is this one. Then we duplicate the thumbnail, select the image, and then select the correct image, the featured image, do it again, image, and there we have image number 3, and then one last time with the image selected, image number 3. And now when we preview, you can also see it's nice and functional, and whatever image you click on the thumbnails is also being shown. So now we have 2 pages. We have the original PDP, and then we have this page with all the same content that we will run against it. The only thing we have to do right now is publish this specific page. So first of all, let's give it a name so we can easily find it later on. This is body protection 2. And now let's publish this page because you can only run an A/B test with live pages. So there we go, it's published. Now let's head over to our home screen, our dashboard, and right here we can create a new A/B test. So first of all, the name. Let's call this body protection image gallery. That's the name of this A/B test. When it comes to the markets, I want to run it in my primary market. This is the Shopify markets I've created within Shopify. And right here, we can create the variants. We can do an A/B test, but you can also create multiple different variants or do an A, B, C, D, E test. It doesn't matter. For variant A, I'm going to select a product page. There we have it. And let's look for the body protection product page. There we have it. Then as variant B, we look for the page that we have just created. It was called body protection number 2. I can already see it right here. And there we go. Next up, we have the traffic split. So here we can determine what percentage of traffic goes to each variant. We can set it to 50-50, 75-25. It doesn't matter. You can do that right here. Then we have the goal. We can choose to track the conversion rate, revenue per visitor, AOV, or click-through rate. Important to note, once you create the test, you can still change the goal and see all the metrics. For now, let's leave it on conversion rate because that's the thing I wanted to test. Right here, we have the A/B test link, which you can copy, but you can also copy it later on. And then we can start this test. And there we have it. Of course, there's no winner yet. There's no traffic on it. This is just as a tutorial, as an example. But right here, you can see your test link. So whoever goes to this link will either land on the original PDP or on the new page with the different image. And whatever you've created as a second variant, as mentioned in the beginning, it can be a completely different buy box, different content, different copy, different colors. It doesn't matter. You can create the variant with an instant and run a test and get all the metrics you need. So here we have sessions, conversions, revenue per visitor, click-through rate, and AOV. We can end the test, select the winner, everything that you might need. And that's it for this tutorial. So thanks a lot for tuning into this video. I hope you have a good understanding on how to create a A/B test for your Shopify PDP, and see you in the next tutorial.